Today I'm going to explain about how to create levels in game. If you are creating a game, okay, many of you played in the gaming. See, once you succeed one score, then you are shifting to next level, level 2, level 3, level 4, like that. So in the Scratch programming, how can we create that levels? Today I'm going to show you. Here I open the Scratch environment, and now I'm going to give the name. I'm taking the ping pong game. Okay, ping pong game. I'm taking. My project name is ping pong game. Because I already practiced this one before, so that's why ping pong game 2 I'm taking. Now, what is our first task? Actually, my task is I need to create, first of all, a normal game I need to create. So normal game means like I need to take one ball. Okay, I'm deleting the old one. I'm taking the ball. Here you can take the ball. Okay, so this ball should be like a moving here like this. We need to arrange some pedal here. So using that pedal, we need to stop touching this one to land. Okay, this is our game object. So for this game object, what we need to do first of all, okay, so we need pedal and we need nice background also, and one ball we require. Okay, three things mainly. So here I am taking the 4 sprites. Okay, the first thing is, first I will change the nice backdrop. Okay, so here I am taking the nice backdrop. Maybe space backdrops are very good to playing the one, so I am taking the stars. Okay, so this is the first thing, and next thing is ball. Already I took it, and the next thing is pedal. So pedal I will draw with my thing. Okay, so I will make it, and this size. Okay, this size is okay. Okay, just I will put it here and I will check it out. Yeah, this is fine. And if I want to change the color, I can change it here. Yeah, this one is fine. So yellow color one. Okay. So, and the next, I need one more sprite. Okay. But before till now, here we will do the code. Okay. When flag is clicked, actually, when flag is clicked, okay, you can switch the backdrop to stars, and the same way when flag is clicked, okay, the ball should be in the middle like this. Okay, so I'm going to give you, go to this place, go to x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, you can give. So if I click on the flag, then it will go like this. And what about this position? Okay, what about this position? This should be here like this. Okay, and it should be in the middle. That is better. Okay, when flag is clicked, go to 72 and minus 159. See, suppose now it is here, now it is here. Now if I click on the flag, then it will become like this. Okay, so now I'm going to write the first simple program for pedal. Okay, the pedal programming is very easy. We need to control it. Okay, when we are pressing the left side arrow, then we need to move left side. If you press the right side arrow, you need to move right side. So you can make it change. Okay, change x by, you can give it like this, minus 50. Okay, if it is a right arrow, then you can give to plus 50. Now see students, now I'm clicking here, left side it is moving and right side it is moving. Yeah, so this program is completed. Now I'm going to write the programming for this ball. Okay, actually the ball should be start from here and it should go like this, and it should hit it. If any edge is there, it should bounce back and it should come like this. And again, if any edge is there, it should be bounce back like that. So what we will do, we will start the game when space key is pressing. Okay, once space key is pressing, you should be start moving. So what we will do, first we will give the direction. Okay, point in direction you will give it. So let me give 45 degrees, then it will go like this. Okay, so and it should be move forward. Okay, if you keep it like this, now see it is moving like this, but if any edge is there, it should be touched back. So here what I will do here, if any edge is there, if on edge bounce, we'll keep it. See now it is going like this. If any edge is there, it will bounce. But always we can't keep this space bar now. So what we do, we can keep in the mode. Now see students, now I click on the flag button. Now if I click on this button, wow. Okay, it is going well. Now we need to progress the game. Suppose, see, if it should touch the, okay, if it touch the this pedal, okay, this pedal, here we are giving the name as a pedal, PADD, you can give it. Okay, if it touches the pedal, then what we need to do, we need to, if it is touches the pedal, then we need to exactly turn like this. Okay, so suppose it is coming like this and we should go like this. So how can we make it in the forever only? You can keep the if loop. Okay, if in the sensing we have touching is there, you can take it. If it is touching the pedal, then what we need to do, we need to turn. Okay, you can make 180 degrees. Okay, so you can make 180 degrees, and even you can make the sound also. Just you can make the start sound. Okay, some other going sound also there. If you want anything, you can do. Now just we'll check it out. Good. Okay, yeah, this is fine actually. One more time I will play it, just check it out. Good. So I made it like this. So how can we calculate the score? Okay, so simple, that is very simple. We need to take one variable. Okay, make a variable, just score you can keep. This is the score. Okay, now and that is time starting, I mean when we start the game, then make the score is 0. Then whenever you are touching this pedal, okay, then change the score by 1. Okay, now you can check it out now once. See, the score is increasing. Okay, like this we can make it. Okay, and then the game should be over. See, if it is missing this one and if it is touching to this ground. So for that purpose, what we do, we will make one more sprite. Okay, one more sprite. So using this sprite, we can make it long pedal. Let us call it as a light. Okay, so this one you can make it. Is it enough? Yeah, is it enough? And put the color is some black color you can keep. So how to put the black color? Yeah, some black color I kept it like this. Now see students, you can view this one as a line. Okay, now in this one you can write it. In the ball code, if it is touching the pedal, okay, what we need to do? Just starts on the palm. If in case if it is touching the line, okay, if it is touching the line, so it is in sensing, you can take it line and stop all you can make it. Okay, and before stop all, if you want to put some sound, you can make it some sound lines. Okay, now you will play it and just check it out. the game is over. Okay, so this way we can play the normal game. See, normal game means it will be like this. Okay, without levels, just we can play it like this. When flag is clicked, we are giving the starting positions of line and pedal and ball and background. And once space key is pressed, okay, we are starting our game. Okay, it is going like this. So the score are something like this. Again, if you click on the flag, so it is coming to normal position. Now, students, this till now we did it normal wise. Now, how can we make the levels? First of all, if you want to make a level, so you need to consider two things. Okay, in the level one, okay, when you reach to level two, how to enter? The best question is how to enter to level two. Okay, level, next level, or else level two you can keep. And what is the background? And next, what are the positions of sprites? Okay, these things, if you certain out, remaining things are same only. So first thing is I will make it, I will set out these all things. Okay, backgrounds and sprite positions. When how to reach the level 2? If we go to level 2, how we know? So in the sprite program we have one option is there. Okay, what is that option? Actually, if you see in the events, broadcast message is there. Okay, once we go to level 2, I mean next level, then we can broadcast the message to level 2. That means we reach in level 2 like this. So once everybody reaches to level 2, then we can change the background and we can change the ball position, we can change the pedal position and everything we can change. No, so I will start like this. So where to go? Suppose if I score 10, then I want to go to next level. So what I will do here, if the score is equal to 10, okay, here you can make it. If, okay, here when space key is pressed, okay, we are starting the game. When space key is pressed, okay, forever you can take it, or else you can keep like this. If score is equal to, okay, score is equal to, where is the score? Here it is a score. Score is equal to 10, okay, then you can broadcast the message. Here you can go and broadcast the message. That means you reaches to next level. So you can write level 2. Level 2 or else level 0 we will write it. Okay, level 2 we will write it. First we start with the level 1 and we reaches to level 2. Okay, level 2 we are broadcasting. So what will happen? So once the level 2 is broadcasted, you need to change the background. So that's why what you do, you can go to backdrops. Okay, you can take some backgrounds like this. So you can go to space, there you can take some other background. So neon tunnel you can take it, and I want to make it 2-3 backdrops. So I will make in a different one. Some galaxy moon, I will take it out. Okay, this is the level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, so here I can write it in the backdrop. I can write the code. Sorry for the struggle. And when I receive the level 2, okay, so which backdrop I need to put it? Here switch the backdrop to some neon tunnel. If I receive the level 3, okay, if I receive the level 3, LEVEL level 3, then you can put the moon. Okay, same way you can keep it here. If I receive the level 1, okay, so you can keep the stars. Maybe that will be very better. So If I click on the flag, it will be here like this. So what are the positions of this ball? Okay, it is a level 1 or level 2, level 3. Once you click on this space bar, okay, immediately it would go to this position. So you can make it like this. So simply you can go to 0, 0. Okay, so that's it. Remaining everything will be same only. And coming to pedal. So if the level is increasing, we need to increase this height. So then the game complexity will be little bit increased. So here it is very easy because so much time it will take to come to here. So if you increasing like this, so what will happen, the complexity, the time is very less, so we need to move very fast. So the complexity of game will be increasing. So that's why once you receive the level 2, okay, once you receive the level 2, when I receive that level 2, here you can give it you can go to either you can make it okay, go to my this place you can go it. So this will be like a 1 minus 126 you can see, yeah. So suppose in the level 3, then you can go to this position. Okay, if it is a level 3, you can move to this one. Okay, when the ball, see, if the score is equal to 10, then you are giving like this. Okay, suppose if the score is equal to 20, then broadcast the message to level 3. Level 3 you can give it. Okay, so once it is reached, it will be changing, but we need to stop the game. Okay, we need to stop the game. So for that purpose, what we will do, here once it reaches to score equal to 10, then we need to stop all. We'll keep like this. Okay, we'll keep like this. So then what will happen, just if I reaches to 10, it will broadcast the level 2 and stop all. Once it reaches the level 2, then immediately it will change, go to this position. Okay, and this one also, this one will be just simply in all levels it will be easily. Okay, stage will be moving like this. So now where we are, now we will play the game. Just if I start the game, it will be like this. Now I am starting the game like this, pressing the space button. Here you can see 1. Actually here it is stopping. We will solve this error. Now again I am playing. It is taking so much time. For that purpose, what we will do some plan 10. So see here, actually if the game is starting 10 also, it is not calculating. So for that purpose, what we need to do, here we need to edit the score. Okay, if space key is pressed, if the score is 10, we need to check every time. Okay, or else you can keep like this. Wait until score equal to 10. Okay, wait until score equal to 10. So you can keep like this and you can keep like this. So for time concern purpose, I am keeping this one to 4. Here this one I am keeping this purpose to 5. Okay, here wait until yeah. Now we will try now one more time. See if I click the space button, 1, score is 1, score is 2, 3, and one more 4. Yes, stopping and it is going to next one. So see the ball position is same here only. If I click on this space, okay, if I click on this space, it is going to there. But how it is starting? It is not starting. See, So where we did the mistake? Here, when space key is pressing and stop all we put it. So that is the mistake actually. Okay. So for this purpose, what we can do? If you think it, we can make it in different angle. Okay. Instead of that one, if you do like this forever, okay, if the score is equal to 4, then broadcast 2. Okay, if the score equal to some 10, we can broadcast the level 3. We can make it stop all, we can make it here, and we can make it here. Okay, so in the wall also you can make it like this. We can put it like this. See here, when space key is pressed, okay, if the score equal to 4, once score is reaches to 4, then the broadcast the level 2 and stop all. If the score equal to 10, it reaches to next level and stop all. But here what we need to write it, once we receive the, okay, once I receive the level 2, then every time I need to go to middle position, x comma 0 comma 0. Same way level 3 also 0 comma 0. Now see students how it is changing or not. We will try. I am clicking on the space button. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. See the paddle is increasing and it is going to next level. So again, if I click on the space button, so it should be moving actually. So it should not moving. So what is happened here? When space key is pressed, okay, point in direction forever. So here the score is 4 actually. Here we are making the step 1. So for this purpose, what we need to do, we will make one thing. If the score equal to 4, okay, we will move to score equal to 5. Then it will not stuck here. Okay, suppose if you make it like this, there is a variable here set score equal to 5. Suppose if you keep like this, okay, so in place of this one, set score equal to some 11 you can keep. If it reaches to 10, 1 point bonus we are giving. So then that means it will not stuck in the one. Now see here, after play it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now if I click on the space button, the ball also will move. 1, 2, once it reaches to 10, it is going to next level. So in the next level, actually once I receive the level 3, this height will be, we need to change. So this height we can make it to 196 we can make it. So if I receive the level 3, then it is going to this one. Or else 86 we can make it. Oh, sorry, minus 86. Yeah. Now this is little bit height is increased. Okay. Now if I start playing, here I didn't write the code for the anything. It is taken. Okay. So this is the thing we can make it. And here we need to maintain the layers also. Okay. If you go to looks and we need to maintain the go to front layer and forward layer, this also we can make it. But at present this is enough. Now what I will do, I will take one more thing. Okay. I will take one more thing here, like a message pop-up messages in the game. Okay, so I will go to paint. I'll go to paint. Here I will write it. Okay, first I will take the nice background. Okay, nice black color background. I will take it out. Okay, this is the black color background, and here I will write it the code. So I am checking in all things.
No, if I take the black color background, it is missing. So I need to change the background in different one. So here I am clicking on this one. So I will come with the some other color. Which color is better? So can you guess? This color is better? Yeah. So here I am writing here. So first one is score is actually we need to write it with a different color. Score equal to 0 starting. Okay, and you can give the level also. Level equal to 1. Okay, better I will write in capital letters. Score equal to 0 and level equal to 1. You can make it like this, and here you can write it. Press space key to start the game. We can write it like this. So I can move this one a little bit like this, and I want to this one little bit explore. So I will keep this one in the middle. Yeah, this is middle. Yeah. So I can keep like this. So this is the image one we can keep, or else message one will. Okay. Now I will duplicate this one, and I will go to here. So here it is score is 10 plus bonus 1. We will write it bonus 1. Okay, and now score is 1. Now this one is level equal to 2. Press start the space key. Now here I am duplicating this one, and here score is actually 20. We will make it. Once it reaches to 20 plus bonus 1 and level equal to 3, you can write it. Okay, so this is the game actually. We can keep like this. I think we need to write this one. Duplicate this one. Here you can make it score equal to level equal to this one. Okay, and in the level number 3, actually score is 20 plus 1 and the level is 3 here. And this one, okay, I think this is enough. So now how to do this thing for coding? Actually, when flag is clicked, okay, when flag is clicked, we need to show this one. And when flag is clicked, okay, we need to show the costume one. Okay, here you can write it show button, you can write it here show. Okay, and switch the costume to message one. Okay, and here wait until, there is the one wait until space key pressed. Okay, you can take the space key pressed. Here space key pressed. Once you done the space key, immediately you can go to hide. Okay, you can go to hide. Just I want to check it out. Here see, if it is coming like this, score is 1, level is 1. If I click on the space button, it's not ID until Okay, one time only. Yeah, I wrote it correct only. Yeah, perfect. It is working. See now, again one more time I will show you. I click on the flag, space key I am pressing, then immediately it is. Now once I receive the, okay, when I receive the level number 2, okay, then from here onwards you can duplicate the code and you can keep it here. When I receive the level number 2, switch to costume message 2, and here you need to show. Okay, then wait until space key is pressed, hide. Okay, so but I don't think so it will work, because why? When we go into that one, we are taking stop all. Stop all means, okay, this code also stop. So for that purpose, what we need to do here, one more time, if you want to clarity, then I will just play it and just see here. I'm playing the game here like this, and 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see the score equal to 10 plus bonus equal to 1, level 2, free space keys to start the game. Till here it is coming properly only. Okay, till here it is coming properly only. But where it is going to missing our thing. If I click on the space button, see that is not going to hide. So there we are getting the some error. So how to solve that? Why? What is the problem means? See, when we click on the space button, this is working. But before this one, we put the stop all. Stop all means it is stopping this code also. Okay. So that's why what we do. Okay. So when I receive the level 2, switch to costume message 2. Okay. Show. Then after that, here you can make it. Okay, once space key is pressed, okay, here separately you can write it. When space key is pressed, hide, you can write it like this. Okay, so automatically it will go. When level 3 is coming, immediately it will be message 3. When level 3 is coming, so message 3 will be show. Okay, and stop there. When you click on the space button, immediately it will be going to hide. Now if you want to clarity, now you can play now and click on the flag. Now score equal to 0 and level equal to 1. Please space key is pressed. If I press the space key, I can play the game. 2, 3. See, it is going to know. Now if I press the space button, see, the score is 20 and bonus equal to 1, level 3. Okay, now if I click on the space button, like this we can play the game. Okay, so here what we do correction for time purpose, we kept the starting ball one, we kept the score equal to 5, so you can make it 10, and sorry, here you can make it 10, and here you can make it 11, and here you can make it 20, and here you can make it 21. Okay, so just brief explanation one more time I will give. First thing is, okay, whenever you are going to create a game in the level wise, you need to do something in each level. What is the background and what is the positions of sprites, you need to decide first. So in the level 1, so my position of ball is in the middle. Okay, pedal is here, and line 1 is same in the downside, and the message 1 is score is equal to 1, level equal to 1, press space key, and background is star stack. Okay, whenever I'm reaching to 10 and I want to change to next level, So what I'm doing here, I'm broadcasting one message level 2 like this. Okay, then I'm stop all. Stop all means for moving and ball moving and everything I'm stopping. Okay, so once I receive the level 2, immediately here the pedal is going to upside like this. Okay, even you can change the color also. You can change the this costume also, you can change it. So once I receive the level 3, I'm going to little bit up. Okay, so same like that. Here in this message also, see, when the level 1 I am receiving, I am displaying this one. If I receiving the level 2, I am receiving this one. Level 3 I am receiving, I am displaying this one like that. Okay, when it is hiding, once I start the game again, game starting means space button. Okay, see, entering into game means just flag click. If you click it, you can start the game. But how to start acting in the game means you need to click the space button. If I click on the space button, automatically it will be started. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubts or anything, you can comment below, so I can come and help you. I mean, I will help to resolve that doubts. Okay, thank you, students.